is day 149 of Living in a Minivan with Wallace and Hank. Alright, so we woke up in the minivan as always, and... oops, I slept in. And then my battery died, so hopefully it's not hot. I think it's gonna be pretty hot. It was!
You good boy. You good boy.
But we got up and got ready for the day.
Oh, shit.
The minivan camper was a complete mess, but we got our solar panels out, got some power, got out on the penny board, and got to enjoying another beautiful day. We're gonna ride around a little bit, and then we're gonna get on the paddleboard again. There's a ton of people today. That's sweet. There were a plethora of unique camper builds here where we were staying on Vacation Island, San Diego, California. Anyways, we continued riding around the beach. The ocean was waving a warming welcome, and Wallace was really enjoying the ride around the water. And then we went to go watch a boat race. But we arrived at a break in the competition, so we gave Wallace a little bit more love and attention, made sure he was nice and happy, and then we went on another ride around the island while we waited.
So I went to the library the other day, and then he just gave me this penny board for free, and I added some stickers of my own, and I thought, wow, that's the most Tom thing I think I've ever done.
Anywho,
I'm gonna miss it again, I think.
we got back midway through the race, and my expectations were absolutely blown out of the water, no pun intended. When I heard remote control boat race, I was expecting something like that scene from Stuart Little. Oh god, I'm old. Anywho, I was not expecting this epic adrenaline-filled shoreside showdown with partially airborne boats.
No, not yet. You're still racing, Mike. You're still racing.
You're still racing, Mike! You're still racing! Look at these things. They're crazy. It probably cost as much as my home. And then it was time to go back to that home, grab a quick bite to eat, chip, egg, bacon, bread, and let the boy take a quick nap.
Who is this silly guy?
This silly guy is Wallace.
Not Hank.
He is a 7-year-old Catahoula leopard dog who balances adventure with a healthy dose of napping. So while he napped, I got clean. Yeah! Oh yeah! And Wallace was still asleep.
He doesn't know I won't come. He's so tired.
But he's gonna come. It's a beautiful day. It was a beautiful day!
Alright, we're going paddleboarding.
So we went paddleboarding in the bustling waters of Mission Bay. There were a bunch of jet skis this morning, chopping it up, bouncing us all around with their waves.
Hey, big guy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here, good boy. High five. Good job.
And then we got to paddling our way around the bay. Wallace was enjoying the sun. It was another beautiful afternoon, and admittedly, I saved the rest of the footage for a montage part 2 video that I wrote a song for. And anyways, coming back for that, please and thank you.
Anywho, love you. Bye.